What I'm showing you today is how to install these taillight gaskets for the first generation Pro. Once you have your taillight removed from the car, you take a new gasket and you start with this in first, and you install it here. You tilt these down, you put it on the pins like that, and then you just continue on going from this side to the right side, pushing it through on the pins. Once it's installed, it should look like this, and give you a nice tight seal. Make sure before you mount it back on the car that you clean the surface real good, all the dirt, grime, clean it real good, some dish soap, some hot water, clean it all down, and then you just put it on the car, and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.